Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a few lifts I found around Bradford. Hope you enjoy the video. First is an Otis 2000 lift at the NCP car park. Here it is. Let's go down to 0.
Doors closing.
Capacity is 1,000 kilos, 13 persons, made in 2003. There's the emergency telephone.
Ground floor.
Here we are at ground floor.
Doors opening.
There it goes. So then I did some lifts at this retail park near Bradford. I think it's called the Bristol Retail Park. Anyway, here are all the lifts I found here. First is an Oakland lift at Next, which wasn't in good condition. Let's go to 1. Has an unusual voice. Oakland lift doesn't normally have these voices. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. I think this was built in 2003. Did a big jolt at the end. Didn't like that. Now let's go to G.
Doors closing.
It's very jolty. It's just a normal Oakland lift.
Ground floor.
Here we are at G. See what I mean? This is not in good condition. Now, let's do this lift at Oak Furniture Land. This lift is not kept well. It's a Stannah lift. Let's go up to 1.
Doors closing.
Wrecked chime.
Lift going
Now,
up.
we cannot see the capacity. Like, it's literally fell off. Like, where is it?
Level 1.
Here we are at 1.
Doors opening.
Button literally fell off there. That's not good. Now, let's go down to 0.
Doors closing. Lift going down.
Oh, this is not good
Level
condition
0.
lift. Here we are back at 0.
Doors opening.
Now, finally, let's do the lift at TK Maxx.
Doors closing.
Finally, to a nice Otis Gen 2 lift at TK Maxx. Let's go up to 1.
Going up. Doors closing.
Security camera up there. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos, and it was made in 2016. Here we are at 1.
Doors opening.
Now let's go to 0. Door close button works, like that.
Closing.
There's a speaker up there for some reason. It's a very nice Otis Gen 2. There's the Otis logo.
Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing.
Hi Bye guys, thanks for watching that long video. I will continue to make these and I really hope you enjoy them. Anyway, thanks for watching the video and have a good day. Bye.